guys, follow niyo ako, our heart. Ito yung bago kong account. Ano? Toka Boka Girl. Tapos yung true name ko ay Ice Diyos. Tapos may ganyan. Tapos T7. Tapos meron ko.
I was like, why? I'm a toddler.
Ayun,
Cranky,
asa ko.
crabby, hungry. Nya nya, nya nya, nya nya. Look at me tick-tocking. I'm a toddler. Cranky, crab. First, show your age. Wash my belly. Wow. Lima belly. Lima belly.
Ayun yung, ito yung pinaka gusto ko sa TikTok. Gusto niyang panoorin.
Wash my belly. Wow.
Pochi.
Lima belly.
Pipay.
Lima belly. Wash my belly.
Boy siya. Tapos yung isang aso ko ay babae. Tapos yung babae, sobrang seryoso niya. Ayan na, bye!